part 2 on befriending pigeons. I realized that if I need to friend a pigeon, I need to at least speak their native language. I've been practicing. Get ready for this. What do you think? Would it work? I just hope I'm not swearing at them, because I don't want to have beef with pigeons. I want to be friends. I personally prefer my crow call though. Why am I learning bird noises? It's also partly to flex on my nephew and niece. They're both cats, by the way. My nephew was genuinely impressed when I did some of the bird calls. Because right now, all they can do is noobs. I'll be flexing on them. Gotta show them how it's actually done. Motivate them to do better. Anyway, that's my journey so far on befriending pigeons. I've yet to meet a pigeon now, so I'm gonna try the bird call, the pigeon language when I see them next. Wish me luck. Okay, thanks, bye.